How to write a prompt on Instagram Notes. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open our Play Store. Now search for Instagram and make sure to update it to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen. Now open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on the message icon at the top right corner. Now tap on drop dot. Now tap on your note. Now tap on not now. Now tap on the prompt icon. Now type a prompt or question. Now once you're done, simply tap on share. Now tap on Now tap on add a response. Now tap on share once you're done. Now click on OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.